Hi there, I'm Allison from Boomerang Pilates and Move Smart, the teacher training program. And I wanted to talk about rolling like a ball today. For lots of us, including both us and our clients, it's hard to get that lumbar opening so that when you roll like a ball, you're actually rolling like a ball instead of what we often hear, which is kind of rolling like a clunk. Right? And there's this instability of the pelvis. So here's a little trick to try and work through that. It's the half rocking chair. So now you're going to get a little bit of help, a little bit of control to your momentum from an extended leg so that you can really think about curling your tailbone around, keeping your lower abdominals scooped and keeping that lower back open. So it's a smaller range. You're going to not go back as far and you're going to get more time to think about the placement of your pelvis and keeping real roundness. And you can try the other side. Roll and come back up. Find the connection of the length of your leg, the tilt of your pelvis, your lower abdominal muscles staying kind of glued to the front surface of your spine, and the spaces between the backs of your vertebrae opening up. Roll and pause. And finding that balance point, that's part of the work. And then try your full roll. And you'll get much more motion, right? Because you've brought your weight in towards center. A little bit harder to control. The closer in you go, the more work it is, right? The tighter you take your ball, the harder it is to come back up and find your balance point. So you find the place where you are best able to successfully achieve the exercise and see if you can find that nice sense of a nice open, round back. If that feels like it's not going to work for you, then work at just rolling and unrolling so that you wake up your brain's connection to your lower back and to your spine. Not forcing, not jamming, just trying to find some fluidity, right? Like a licorice stick. You can do that, and then change legs. Get yourself a nice grip onto your legs so you're not over pulling on your hip flexors. And you're moving your back muscles, your stomach muscles, your psoas. You're moving your bones and letting your muscles go along with you, and you're moving your muscles and taking your bones along with you, right? It's this really nice symbiotic relationship. And then cycle through the whole thing again. Extend one leg, roll, pause. Roll, pause. Two more. Lots of people find that a big exhale on the way up is a helpful way to kind of cue your stomach muscles to actively bring you forward, instead of just trying to pull your leg into your hand. So you inhale to roll back, and you exhale to come forward. One more. Both knees come in, and then again, see how it feels through your lower back. And hopefully that feels like a really nice massage across your spine. Just a side note, that exercise series is not necessarily appropriate for you if you have osteoporosis, particularly if you're not accustomed to lots of spinal motion. And if you have a lot of back pain, you would want to approach it cautiously, but it might be a really helpful motion for you to do in very small increments, but probably just the seated version to begin with, and then something to work up to make you feel strong and adept. So if you like that video, let me know. You can post questions in the comments down below, and have a great day and have fun. Move well.